Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a camera app with password protection feature in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Snapchat. And the first list you will see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. You can either skip it or you can just click on next. Click on next again. Now you need to set your pin. Now click on create pin. Now click on while using the app. Click on while using the app. So now you can see the user interface of this application. So you can see on the left bottom settings option. So you can get some more options also. You can reset your security or the pin. You can set a timeout, how much timeout you want to set, and different options here in the settings. So now let me take some photo. So I've taken a photo. So you can see on the right bottom one icon, just tap on it. Now all the captured images will be stored inside this application. So this captured photo will not be shown in the gallery or photos application. So you can see I don't have, so it will only be saved inside this application. So if I close it and if I try to reopen this application, so you can see it asks our pin here. So let me put the pin. So now you can see here. So by using this application named as Snapchat, you can easily get a camera app with password protection features in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.